Hey classes, are you tired of spending hours designing the perfect base? Or maybe you have seen an epic layout you want to try for yourself. Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy any base in Clash of Clans in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. At first, we have to be on the home screen of our mobile phone. Open your Clash of Clans application. First thing first, make sure your account is updated to the latest version of Clash of Clans. Without the latest update, some features including base copying might not be available. If you haven't updated yet, head to your app store and hit that update button. To copy a base, you'll need to find one that's shareable. This could be a base from your clanmate, a friendly challenge, or even layout set by person on social media or forums. As you can see in the screen, I have not joined any clan, but for you guys, you might have joined many clans. Head on to any clan and select the base that you want to copy it. Once you have found the base you want, click on it. You will see a button that says copy layout. Tap that and you will be prompted to select a slot to save the base to. Choose a free slot and voila, the base is now yours. Make sure to save it to a slot that fits your need, like home base, war base or a builder base. If you want to tweak the layout to suit your playstyle, you can edit the base right after copying it. Just go to the edit layout screen and you are good to go. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to copy any base in Clash of Clans.
If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and guides. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.